Guys, welcome to Doris Faith channel. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe on the red button showing on the screen. And for my existing subscribers, thank you for staying tuned, thank you for subscribing. So guys, today I'm going to be talking about detox therapy, how you can use your own body to detoxify your system. A lot of us don't really know how to detoxify our body. And please, for those of you who are new to my channel, this channel is all about fitness, how to keep, we want to make sure you're fit. This channel is all about how to follow a good diet plan. We're going to be teaching you how to take a proper meal according to your blood group. And also we're also going to be teaching you a lot of wellness tips, like how to increase your libido. A lot of women and men don't really know how to increase their libido naturally. You don't need to take drugs. You can. So guys, like I said, I'm going to be talking about detox treatment and how we're going to be talking about how to use water to detoxify your system. It is mandatory that you should take at least 8 to 12 glasses of water a day. And to me, the best time to take water is in the morning, early in the morning, even before you brush your teeth. You take 1 glass of lukewarm water and you drink it on empty stomach, before you even brush your teeth. That is the best time to take your water. And in fact, I always advise people to take their water every morning as early as possible. Once you wake up, that should be your first morning ritual, your water. And if you want to spice it up, you can also spice it up with lemon. That is if you want to add lemon, but I don't advise you to add even lemon. Just take your distilled water or your filtered water, as you can see. So if you take water every day, you'll see that you're going to be, your bowel will be very free. It helps for also free. So if you take your water every day, you're not going to fall sick at all, and you notice that you will not have any form of type of constipation, because what really happens, like when you have constipation, is when the large intestine is not able to detoxify those waste products properly. And for you to for your body to be able to do that, you need to take water at the right time, because if you don't take water at the right time, you're not going to be detoxifying properly. And for you to be healthy, you need to detoxify properly. You need to go to toilets in the morning. If you're not going to toilets in the morning, man, you're not healthy. You need to go to toilets in the morning, free your bowel, and what aids you to do that is when you take a lot of water, at least maximum 12 glasses of water a day, minimum 8 glasses of water a day. Like I said, you need to drink water in the proper way, because if you're not drinking water in the proper way, my dear, you're making a big mistake. Because aside from the fact that water will help to flush out toxins from your body, it also helps for free blood circulation. Yes, it also helps for free blood circulation, and it can also aid in helping you to lose weight. It can also help you to maintain a very ideal proper weight according to your age. Water helps to prevent a lot of sicknesses and disease. It also helps to boost your immune system, because if you take water properly, the organs will see the water to use to do its activity. And also, please don't forget, don't take water in the night. It's not really good. In fact, if possible, avoid water in the night. It's not good, because do you know, if you take more water in the evenings, it can even also help to make you add weight. So water is very, very beneficial for your health, and one of the reasons why you should take water is also that it can also help to boost your alkaline level of your body. Instead of your body to be acidic, it's more alkaline. And when your body is more alkaline than acidic, you're not going to fall sick. So guys, I'm sure I've been able to convince you guys on drinking water, because a lot of people don't drink. Instead of you to take alcohol and take all those sugary stuff, it's better you take water. I know it's always very uneasy for you to stop taking all this additive, but by the water is very good, because it will help to flush out heavy metals from your body. It will help to flush out toxins from your body, even cholesterol. It will help to reduce cholesterol. It will help for free blood circulation, and it will help to boost your immune system. It will even help to improve your complexion. You know, for those of you who likes to bleach, it will help to improve your complexion, make your complexion. So guys, I'm rounding up this video, this water therapy detox treatment video. So in my next video, please don't forget, I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos because I've not been uploading videos and it's so painful. But right now I'm going to be uploading videos. I'm so serious now with my subscribers. So please guys, stay tuned. Every day you're going to be seeing videos, a lot of videos. My next video, which I'm going to be doing tomorrow, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can boost your libido with some fitness exercises, like some simple exercises you can do. And there are some things I'm going to advise, especially couples. I'm going to advise you on how you can, you know, keep your relationship stable, you know, doing the right thing, you know. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.